Hello, I got this LED dashboard for my Ford Bronco from LED Factory Mart. In the box it came with the LED dashboard, a 5-amp fuse tab, and the instructions. The LED dashboard works at 12 volts and uses 60 to 150 milliamps when in use. The LED dashboard has 7 different modes: solid red, solid green, solid blue, solid pink, solid yellow, solid violet, and a multicolor of red, green, pink, and yellow, which can be changed by tapping, not pressing, the power button. It also has a startup sequence. It fills with white light from left to right, then red from right to left, then green from left to right, then blue from right to left, then blinks to the last color before the power was cut. Installation. To install the LED dashboard, I used a 7mm long socket with a cordless ratchet along with some pry tools. I started by pulling down the panel above the driver footwell, revealing the driver's side bolt holding the radio/AC control panel on. Then I hopped over to the passenger side to pull out the glove box to get to the passenger side bolt holding the radio on. From there, I got the panel under the radio loose. Then, with both hands and great force, I pulled the radio down and out. Next, I removed the bolt right under the old dash that removing the radio had revealed. After that, I removed the 3 bolts that were under the passenger side airbag holding the old dash on. Now that all the bolts holding the old dash were removed, I grabbed the pry tool and from the top of the dash, I pried it out. It was attached to the engine start-stop switch, so I disconnected it from the back. Now that the dash was free, I put it to the side. I removed the engine start-stop switch along with its housing. Then I put the engine start-stop switch with its housing into the new LED dash. I then reconnected the engine start-stop switch to the Bronco. Then I pushed the LED dash into place where the old one was. From there, I connected the electrical of the LED dashboard into my accessory control system. I connected the ground into a switch I had and the positive into a positive bus bar. Then I hit the switch and the LED dashboard came to life. Now let's go for a drive and see the LED dash working. First up, we got the startup sequence. Now we have red. Now we have green. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Violet, and all the colors except for blue and violet. Got the red, green, pink, and yellow. Alright, thank you LED Factory Mart for sending me this product for exchange for feedback.